Hello awesome parents. As you all know, our summer ICT and computer training for kids is ongoing. Now I have a question for you. Are you ready to give your kids an action-packed summer they will never forget? Well, listen up because I've got something exciting, not just exciting, super exciting for you today. This summer, let's equip your kids with the coolest tech skills in town. I mean, tech skills that are in high demand that will help them prepare for a better future. It's time to level up their digital game and get them ready for the future. In this fun-filled summer training program, your kids will learn awesome stuff like basic ICT, coding, robotics, where they get to build different types of wonderful robots. I mean, not just robots that doesn't move, movable robots. Game development, website design, graphics design, video editing, and many more digital skills are there for us to equip your kids with this summer holiday. Don't let this incredible opportunity slip away. Register your kids today and let the tech adventure begin. This is an opportunity you should not miss. So what are you waiting for? This summer is all about unleashing their potentials and making memories that will last a lifetime. Call the numbers displayed on your screen for more information. You can also visit our website or visit any of our physical offices for registration today. Until I come your way again, the digital economy is here. Equip your kids with digital skills that will help them prepare for a brighter future. Bye, and learn digital skills in high demand.